Today on In the Box, we'll be unboxing the new Samsung A71 5G device. So this might be their least expensive 5G option if you're looking to have a 5G device but not looking to spend $1,000 and up. So let's take a look at everything that comes in this box. Just based on the picture on the box, so it looks like it's a nice piece of hardware. I looked into the pricing. It looks like these sell anywhere from about $450 to $600 depending on the retailer that you're going through or the carrier. So let's take a look about what's in this box. So in it, you'll find the books stuck on the top portion of the box tucked in. We'll take a look at that in a second. So here's the phone. This does feel like a very nice phone, to be honest with you guys. It doesn't feel like any of the S20s, but it definitely feels like a solid piece of hardware. I may not pay $600. Okay, nice cameras. 4 camera lenses with the flash. That's pretty good. I may not pay $600 for it, but I'll probably spend more around the $400 range for this device. This phone comes with the Type-C cable, which is typical in every new phone that you get. You do need the charging cable in order to use it. Yeah, just typical Type-C to Type-A, which will connect. Actually, no, it looks like it's Type-C to Type-C. Let's take a look at the charging base. It's a fast charging base. And yeah, okay, so it's Type-C to Type-C. This is the new standard. If you buy like a new MacBook, for instance, it uses the Type-C as the USB standard. Here on the back of this box, we have the SIM tool. That's what you use to take out the SIM card and the memory card from the device. These books slipped out. We have a reference guide in this box, which probably shows you how to use the device, the terms and conditions with the warranty. And here we have an extended terms and conditions. Not sure why. And one in Spanish. I don't know why they didn't put all that in one book. But thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you share and subscribe. Thank you.